Question 3. What 3 items would you include in an emergency kit for people living in an earthquake zone? Explain how they might help. 6 marks. So this question is asking us for 3 items you'd need an emergency kit. So this is initially the first things that people need if they've experienced an earthquake. But we also need to explain how they might help. So we need to develop the reasons why we've picked these. Now, there's many different items that could be included in an emergency kit. There can be 15 or 20 items. So your answers may be slightly different from what I've put down here, but many of them would be able to gain marks. So if I think of an earthquake, I think of, first of all, maybe that some buildings might be damaged or some injuries might be caused. So let's put down a first aid kit. Now, this can support as it can reduce injuries. So let's write that down. So this can reduce, or if you've been hurt, it can maybe stop infections. What else do people need? So they might have their homes damaged, and so to survive, people need food or water. But let's put down tinned food, as this is an emergency kit that people maybe keep in their home, and you need food that's not going to go off. So think of the tinned beans in your kitchen, they last a really long time. So this is needed for survival. And then you could write many different items, from a radio to a whistle to a survival blanket, batteries or a phone, even money as well. But let's put down a wind-up torch. Sometimes electricity can go Sometimes electricity can go off, and so this might be useful to see without electricity. So let's put without electricity. So to get 6 marks for this, you need to, first of all, identify 3 different items, and then you need to explain it. Now I've just put it here in bullet point form, but you would need to write, for example, a first aid kit is important as it can help to reduce injuries if people have cut themselves or have been damaged throughout with the earthquake. A tinned food is useful as it's needed to survive, so people can eat it straight away. And a wind-up torch can be useful so people can see without electricity. And that would give us our full 6 marks.